Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. From when you see me, you know me up to no good. So I'm gonna prank Jason. I'm gonna call random people in my contact and borrow money from them. But I'm gonna tell them, say, Jason, I gonna pay them back. Ooh, something just come to me. Plus, I'm not gonna call nobody and tell them, say, I'm gonna prank Jason. So that means that them are gonna get pranked in the process. Oh, nice. This is gonna be fun because I want to know what them would have say if I just call and borrow money just like that. Plus, me a prank Jason. One bird, two stone, one bird. Make we get into it. Bro.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Something I want to ask you. Where that, babe? 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 You hear me? Come here. Bro.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Something I want to ask you, though. You can't lend me a thing?
I think you can get that thing for the shelf.
You know, say $1 5 grand me I look for borrow, but just I go pay.
Maybe you could have just asked me for the $5 grand.
Maybe
I'm saying, I'm saying.
Maybe you could have asked me.
You know, no money.
Lucia, what I do?
I pray.
I'm there, man.
Just they go pay you back, you know, and on me.
Oh, yeah, man, if you have to do that, you know, come on, just do that favor.
Yeah, but at the same time, she could have asked me come I could have gear, bro. No, but just say there, man.
Yeah. But probably she don't want it for you.
But if I'm here to pay back, you better she take it from me.
But that's true. But probably she don't want it for you now.
How you doing? If you ask me for money?
Me that take it from him and then take your ones and me have enough.
You can
Alright then, bro.
Eh?
You can artist?
Yeah, but I want. I know say you're going to lend me, but I want years plus. Babe,
But babe, that means
I'm
I'm going to give you 5 and I'm going to give somebody else 5, babe, but you could have get the 5 from me.
Babe, me do what me I do. But just want that
Babe,
thing.
but you still in front of me and try to borrow same way?
I want that thing.
Babe, what kind of thing, babe? 5,000 Jamaican dollars you're going to for?
Babe, if you did agree for lend me, would I just put some more?
Babe, what do you want the money for? What do you want the money for?
Babe, me cannot. Just give me a second.
Babe, I'm asking you a question. What do you want the money for? You enjoy you may talk to you?
Kim,
Hello? Yeah?
you know what says I think me a borrow from you.
Can't borrow me.
No, seriously, me want 10 grand for borrow.
What the hell?
Yeah.
We don't want it.
Me I wonder if you could have sent it come right now. Me desperate.
Just a minute, we don't want it.
But I want it all right now. You could have just transfer it. Make me really desperate. Jason on the money right now.
Alright, then, okay.
Thanks, yeah. And Jason said I'm going to pay you back when time you get paid. I'm the same place.
Alright, then, I'll send it now.
Alright.
You know who not gonna pay that back, right?
Babe, why?
You know who not gonna pay that back, right? Bro, what's
Alright.
wrong with you? Bro, you don't see me in front of you talk to you. Bro, you need to respect me when I talk to you, fam.
Babe, I need it.
May I talk to you, right? What you need money. What you need 5,000 dollars, you know?
I'm not desperate.
Stop scratching your head when I talk to you. Not scratch out your license for me.
Give me lies.
Me don't know, so you
Yeah,
scratch
me
that.
not desperate.
What desperate
Problem.
problem are you in that you cannot tell me?
Oh, God.
If you're in a problem, and me and you in the problem, babe. So what's the problem?
Babe, you see me I borrow 10 and the 10 me really want.
How much money you want?
50.
For what?
Me can't borrow.
For what?
Babe, is that something?
Is that
I wanna
something?
get?
Babe, get your story straight, man. Let me talk to you, you know.
Something I want to get.
What? Who, with you?
Yes.
What's that?
I need it for your trip. I need it before I leave to go home because I want if you do something.
Well, you need to this a trip before. I don't understand.
I need the money to do something before I leave and go home. I
What's
forget
that?
it before, babe. Let me just do my thing now,
Babe,
babe.
I am asking you, what do you need?
Something important.
Babe, babe.
Babe, I have to talk about
But
it.
you talk to me like me, one of your friend them from or one of your
Babe,
family
I
member.
don't want to talk
Babe,
about
I'm the
it.
closest person if you tell anything, babe. Why you keep on telling people say me your best friend if you can't talk to me? Like, what are you afraid of?
I have the money to arrange.
Babe, what do you want it for, babe?
I want to forget something, babe. And that's
What's
it. That's
No,
it.
you're not going to tell me that. Alright, I'm going to give you about what you want
Give
it
me
for.
money then.
I'm going to send it to your account.
Send it now.
No, babe, what do you want it for? That you have your call and a big people and I say, Jason, have it. You lie right in front of my face like me never stand up as something.
Babe, you have so much for you?
Bro, I say I will send it to you. But why you going to tell a lie say Jason have it, babe? I know someone that me agree upon it. Why you going to tell a lie like that? For what reason? Babe, that's a petty lie. That means you will tell me lie too.
No.
Babe, no, tell me that, babe. Don't stay far from me. Let me talk to you. Me say, why would you not tell somebody say, yo, Jason going to give back and Jason the right here, so. Babe, what do you want?
Give up.
Babe, what do you want? Give back what? You listen, you borrow, you're paying it back on your own behalf until I know what I'm paying for. Are you better talk to you? Yo, man, that's why I'm even invested. I know my business. Just know you pay back for your stuff.
Babe.
Where you coming from?
Alright, I can't tell him.
So tell me now, stop your foolishness, no my girl.
Missing one suit, how much?
You have to borrow money from Lucy who have him baby up there to take care of and him wife to buy one suit, babe. Come on, tell me say you can't
You
wait.
take one picture before me leave.
One picture? One picture. Babe, one photograph. Babe, you not put me in another date for that, babe. Babe, what? Picture for what? It's not for you, you know. When you take a photo, you post it, it's for the world, and not for you, you know. So, babe, what you are trying to prove? You don't see me talk to you, my girl.
Babe, I just want one hot girl picture before
Bro, you
me
can get
leave.
many hot girl picture, babe, but you don't need to have borrow the money and not tell like say, yo, tell Jesse get it, babe, because you could have do that behind my back and you could have been worse, you could have borrowed worse. You have an addiction? You have a problem?
This is my first time.
Babe, stop do it like that, babe, because I know what you're trying to do, babe. Babe, stop that. Stop that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Babes, don't tell me backside about hurt feelings. Hold up your face. Baby, you can't fool me with this side, you know. You do this to me every time now, you know.
What?
Stop do that. Babe, move from yourself.
Alright, give me money then.
Babe, you can't get the money to do this something, babe. You can't just wait. So why you tell lie, babe?
Cause I never know if you ever give me, if me tell a reason why.
People take me your money, you're supposed to ask me.
Yeah, me can't get 30,000.
Whoa.
That's why I see me
Oh,
there
hold on.
for 10
Pause.
outside
Slow down. Stop. At 30 grand, you want to buy one suit just to take a photo, you know, right now. Know where me and you go.
Me go make me go out after with the change.
But babe, why you pressure Lucia? You know him have been if you take you know Kim wanna have
That's
answer,
why me
babe.
always, that's why
You always want, babe. Why you move so?
That's babe, I say me take it little. Me never call about 5%.
Babe, don't be
and
selfish,
10
babe. Don't be
or
selfish,
5
babe.
for
Alright.
each.
I'm gonna give you the money. I'm gonna give you the
Yeah,
money.
give me
Babe.
money.
But you need to call him and tell him say you nobody want it, bar, babe. I mean seriously, babe. Bro, like, why you gonna do that though? But they're right just in front of you act like you don't see me.
Alright, hold on. I gotta tell her.
Talk!
Kim, no worry sending money here because it look like that Jessica can do it for me. I tell Lucia now.
Don't give me that look.
Bro, no worries. Oh yeah, they say you never have it already.
Tell him
Even
say
if you did
get
not
you.
consider Jason come through for me thanks here.
Babe, why you feel like about something like that though? Me not get it.
Alright, send them money now.
Babe, I'm talking to you. Yo, bro. I am talking to you.
Yeah?
I ask you a question, babe. Why you have to tell a lie like that? You want the dress? Well, go buy the dress. Go buy the dress.
What send me money? the money you buy it for me.
I was not gonna buy it to you, babe. I just looking at you and you just not look right. You don't look something off.
Send me
Babe,
money
something
now.
is off. Something is off.
Send me money now.
Babe, something is off, babe.
With what?
Babe, what you really want the money to do?
To buy suit, for taking picture for your gram.
Yeah, one of them girl, you know.
No.
Alright, you
Can I
can't be
send
that.
money now?
You can't be that.
Come.
I've seen it. But don't do that again, babe. And don't tell a lie when
We
me
never do it again.
Babe, I mean, I tell you, if you lie like them, babe, me I have to assume say we tell me them like
But
that.
baby, I feel
You're under my radar.
Alright, look, you ever see me do something like this, you must know me desperate.
Babe, you're desperate for a suit. Like I say you're desperate for. But you can't do your thing, baby, to add to your
Baby, you ever see
confidence.
me do something like this?
Babe, I need to add back your drink because it's never there regular. Come.
But baby, me ask you a question. You don't must know something really why for you see me do this. You ever see me do
Babe,
this?
I am giving you the money. So what the bag of conversation for?
Alright, come.
Give me your something there, your information. Come.
Come. I'll send it to you. You know, I've been missing your text message already.
Oh, my bad.
Can't take it. Me a prank you, but you can still send it if you're so willing.
Oh,
You
come on,
can
look at the dude. Look at him.
Why me be so
I have
honest?
no money to get.
Why me be so honest? Baby, can still send it.
Because I feel like
Babe. Guys, hold on, let me need the call. Kim on and listen to my voice note, you know? And she a go send it. Guys, I forgot to call Kimona quick because I really send her the voice note, but she not listen to it. This was fun. This was really fun. Kim?
Honey, yeah?
A prank me and prank Jason, don't do it.
Okay.
Thank you, Doyer. I love you. Mwah.
I love you more.
She not even ask me a question. She just come true. Okay? Go over to Kim's Beauty YouTube channel and subscribe, guys. Go over there, go show her some love. Help her to grow. And I see just willing to send me the money. Could I take it, you know? I know somebody must have said, girl, should I take it? But I can't do that. I'm not so dishonest because I know if I ask for something, I will get it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little pranky prank. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks. You have tried the journey with me. Road to 100K. I love you guys. Bye.